Alright guys, I am going to do a slightly different one because I have this box, which is last month's September, but I got it on like October 1st because I was out of the country when this was mailed. And I have this box, which is my Birchbox. So these are not quite equivalent. I want to say this is almost, is this 15? I'll have to look. Correct me down there because I can't remember exactly how much this is, but I want to say this is 15, but it's probably 10. This is $10. So this is Birchbox. And this is Sephora Play. I am getting my Sephora Play sometime. It usually comes towards the end of the month. And I'm getting a regular ipsy, not the full-size Glam Bag Plus. So I'll do a comparison of those two at whenever those come around. But I wanted to get into this because I have been debating on one of these boxes whether I should keep it. So I am going to start with the Sephora Play because it came out last month. And I really wanted to go over this one and hear your guys' thoughts. So Sephora Play, again, I can't remember. I want to say it's $15, but maybe it's 10. It's probably 10. But they always come with the Play Insider points, and they've recently been going to using them both in store and online, which I really appreciate because I almost never go to a store in person, but I do use the points online. And I'm kind of racking up those points. I haven't really used them yet, but anyway, this is called the Next Gen Beauty, and they have like the little handout of all the stuff here. And I think everybody was going to get, I can't remember. Honestly, the spoilers on this came a while ago, but this is the new bag, which I think is interesting. They used to send like a little canvasy bag, and now they have this bag, which is like this plasticky bag, and I'm not sure why they went to that. I haven't figured that out, and I don't know. They say, it says going green. Here's a movement everyone can get behind. More environmentally friendly, the packaging. That's why our new Play by Sephora bag isn't just on trend. Hello Clear accessories. It's also 100% recyclable. So that's what they're saying. It's cheap. But I'll be honest, I have so many of the other ones. I don't really care that much. But it does feel like they're going like a step down. But anyway, I don't know what I'm going to do with these bags. I don't know if I'm going to get rid of them or not. But let's just get into it. So the first product here is the Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. I have been wanting to try this brand. They are pricey, but I have heard nothing but great things about them. And this is it's a itty bitty little sample. It's 0.25 fluid ounces. I have not opened it. It is still safety sealed. But let's see if they say anything about it. They say that it is, yeah, ancient mineral rich thermal water, innovative? I don't know. It's a heat mask basically. And you're supposed to put a quarter size amount, put it on dry skin, let it sit up for 3 minutes. Wet fingertips massage the mask to activate the flash of heat and then rinse off. So I am super curious about this. But I was excited because this is a product I've been wanting to try. Because if it is really good, then I am more than willing to spend for this brand. Alright, next one here is a Sephora brand Lash Craft. This is the Big Volume Mascara. I've actually heard really good things about this mascara. Everybody's been just saying fantastic things about this. And so I'm excited to get to try this out. Unfortunately, I have so many mascaras to try out that this will be kind of down the line. But this is, it is in black. And I'm just going to show you guys real quick the wand here. Ooh. It's like that. Sorry, it's got a little goo on the end there. That's interesting. I've had another wand that was like this that I didn't really care for. I think it was the Douce brand. So I'll have to try and see, but I've heard good things about this. So I am excited to try this, and I thought that was a great sample. And it's supposed to have jojoba oil, and I'm supposed to prevent flakes, smudges, and flakes. So I'll get back to you guys whenever I get around to trying this. Alright, next one is another product I've wanted to try, but again, I just haven't really wanted to spend the money on it. It is not a big sample. It is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Itty bitty. But again, it's one of those things that I want to try, but I don't want to spend the money on until I know if I like it. But I've heard really good things about it. Now, again, look at this. See how tiny? I mean, it is like, I hate when they do this. Like, just give me the size of the product and fill it up. Like, either that or give a smaller, smaller thing there. But it smells really good. Too Faced products always smell good. Oh, it feels really good. Like, that's very moisturizing. I think I'm going to like this product. So anyway, I'm going to try this out. But again, excited to try this. All right, next product. This is the month's bonus. And I'm going to give this away to somebody because I already have a sample of this and I will not use it. This is the Flower Bomb Nectar Perfume by Victor and Rolf. I am not a big fan of perfume in general, and this one is just a little bit too sweet for my liking, but it is a nice perfume for those who like that smell. All right, next product here is this Nude Stick Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil. I had also wanted to try Nude Stick and never gotten around to it. This is a beautiful color. I'm just gonna look over in my mirror here and put some on. I am a big fan of lip crayons recently. I don't know why. I just feel like they are fantastic, easy to use. I'm like a huge fan. I love that everybody's into these. This is a pretty color. I will most definitely use this. This is very moisturizing. Even though it's a matte, I do like this. And yeah, I don't know. I feel like the matte sticks tend to be a little bit moisturizing than the liquid lip, and they don't give you that cracked look. So it allows me to do a matte lip without getting that like nasty cracked feel on my lips. So I am liking this. This is another product that I've wanted to try that I have not been able to try because I don't want to spend the money. But I do like this, so I'm excited. I think that's my theme. I'm excited. All right, last product is another really nice brand that I've wanted to try. It's also a little tiny sample, but this is the Sunday Riley Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. And it's a little sample. This is only 0.3 fluid ounces. This is supposed to hydrate, plump skin. It has hyaluronic acid plus tamarind extract and papaya enzyme. I love things with papaya enzyme. It really does nice stuff to my skin, but it's very, very gentle. So I am excited to try this out. This is not a lot of product. It's not 100% full. It smells like a typical face moisturizer. It's kind of a watery feel. Oh, but that does feel nice. Right now I've been using my Kate Somerville facial lotion that has a papaya extract, and it feels so good and it makes my skin look so good. And I feel like that's kind of in the same price range as this Sunday Riley. This is nice. This won't get me very many samples, just a day or two of samples, but it's still a good thing where I get to try it. I wish they'd given a slightly bigger sample, but anyway, so that's it. I am very happy with this. Samples are small, but not bad. I feel like very high-end stuff. Everything is products that I have wanted to try, but I just haven't wanted to spend the money. So yeah, I'm happy with this. I will probably use everything but the perfume, which I'll give away. All right, now on to Birchbox. Birchbox is one of those that I just can't quite decide if I love or not love it. They always have these really adorable boxes. They always say magic inside. This is upside down, magic inside. And they usually let you pick. Either they have like a pre-curated box that you can say, yes, I want that, which the one this month looked pretty good. Or they let you pick a sample, or you can say, just choose it for me. And this month I was super excited because they had a Winky Lux highlighter and I wanted to try that, and I love Winky Lux. So I said, I want this sample, and then you can surprise me from there. So as you can see, it's very fall theme. It's got leaves all over here, and the theme is turn over a new leaf. So they just give you some beauty hacks, and then they tell you what the price is for the full-size products. Unfortunately, they don't tell you the size of the full-size products, so you can't really extrapolate back easily. But this is the what it looks like. Okay. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or products here, and I'm just going to kind of go over them here. So the first one is this Bumble and Bumble Thickening Go Big Treatment. I've actually used this. I like Bumble and Bumble products. They're very nice. My mom used to get them at her hair salon, and this is just, it has, I don't know how to explain, they smell like salon products, but this product is a good thickening product. I actually used it. I'm throwing stuff here today. I actually used it for my wedding. I got married 10 years ago, so this product has been around forever. So I don't know if they've reformulated it from then, but I used it in my hair before my wedding because my hairdresser needed to do like a big set of curls and other stuff, and she wanted me to put this in my hair to volumize it, and it did. It worked. My hair turned out beautifully. So I will use this because it is a good product. It is a nice little sample. I don't use thickening cream that often. The full size I think is like 3 fluid ounces. So this is like a third of the full size. So this is a nice product. So next one here is the Marcel City Tinted Cream. So this is a brand that seems to be exclusive to Birchbox. This is the product here, and they just kind of go into it. I do like my tinted creams. It is in the color Fair, which is right up my alley. And you can see here, I forget, I think it was a Pure Elise one that I've been using recently that's really nice. This one is definitely thicker and on the more full coverage side than for that. I don't know how much I'll reach for this. Or maybe not full coverage, medium coverage. It's not bad. It doesn't really have a sunscreen smell. It does feel thicker. And yeah, I don't really, it has 7 mils. It's not a bad sample size, so that's okay. Yeah, they basically tell you need to wear sunscreen going into the fall. I always wear sunscreen. I'm fair. All right, next item here is one that I'm not excited to be in one of my samples. I don't mind if it's like a bonus sample like the Play does, but I don't like perfume samples. I'm weird. I don't like perfume. I just don't. Like, I use this Freesia scented stuff body spray every once in a while, but my deodorant is my scent and my shampoo, and yeah, that's about it. I don't know why. Anyway, is there anyone else like Lee? I think I'm traumatized because my mom uses perfume like crazy and it wafts everywhere, and so I just don't like perfume. So I'm gonna give this away to someone, but it has like a florally scent. But I don't like getting perfume samples I just don't like getting perfume samples. And I don't like that I got a perfume sample, and I'm pretty sure when I put in my things that I don't want perfume samples, but I got perfume samples, so that's a little womp womp. Excuse me. All right, next thing is this Air Repair Hydrating Serum. I don't think I've ever tried this brand. This is a little bitty. So you guys saw in the previous one, I got the Too Faced one. This is probably the same size, basically, and it is probably about the same price for a full size, and it kind of feels, you can see here, it kind of has the same consistency. It feels nice. So yeah, it honestly, it smells okay. It reminds me of the Too Faced one. It's like, I feel like I just got a duped version of the Too Faced. All right, and then this is the final thing. This was the Winky Lux Strobing Balm in Radiant Pink. And I am so disappointed, guys. I'm going to show you why. Because I was so excited about this. It came and it had slumped out of there, and you can see it on here. I tried to put it back in there. It went all over the lid here. And it's not that hot here right now. But it was just hot enough that this stuff just went everywhere. And this product is, I mean, it's beautiful. So I'm like super bummed. I'm just going to show you this, how pretty this product is. See, it's just beautiful. And like part of my product just went everywhere. And I feel like that is partially the fault of the way they package it. They just throw these things in here with no sort of packaging. As you can see, it kind of spilt over onto the thing here. And so this is obviously, they knew this product was going out. This is one of the things you could pick. It's a strobing cream, and I love Winky Lux packaging, but it's a cream that if it gets hot at all, it liquefies. And they put it in this box where it could just flop on its side, which is exactly what it did. And it just smooshed out there. So I am so disappointed that half my sample is gone because it like smeared out. So, you know, the one thing I was super excited about got messed up, which I'm so sad about, but I love this product. This is beautiful. I will use it, and then, you know, I may end up buying this because I really do love Winky Lux products. But I'm bummed that my sample got messed up. I don't know. How am I feeling about this? I did really like the Sephora play. I felt like the sample sizes were small, but there were a lot of products and really high-end name brands that I have always wanted to try. Now, I don't think that the products are bad in the Birchbox, and two of the products are definitely names that I know that are really nice. I really like the Winky Lux, and I really like the Bubble and Bubble. I just don't understand how they throw these products in here, knowing that some of them could melt and go all over the place. These other two brands aren't bad, and the perfume sample I'm not excited about, but I don't know, I'm just not, like, I don't get that many products that I just adore from Birchbox. And so I need to look, because I had done this as like a 3 or 6 month subscription, and I am debating about canceling or putting on hold Birchbox for a while and trying something different. What are your guys' thoughts? I just have not been that excited about Birchbox anymore, and I feel like there are other $10, $15 beauty sample ones that are just a little bit nicer and give a little bit better products, and I'm just kind of feeling a little lackluster with Birchbox. I mean, I've gotten some great products from it and everything, but I'm thinking of canceling it, continuing the Sephora play for a bit longer, and then going from there. I mean, what do you guys think? What would you do if you were in my shoes? Please leave me a comment up below and let me know. And as always, please subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up and hit the warning bell. Thank you guys again for watching, and I look forward to your feedback.